Integrating GetResponse with CRM software sounds easy until you try it. Some CRMs connect instantly, while others need third-party tools, manual setup, or just don't work well together. If you don't do it right, you'll miss out on automation, lead tracking, and even potential sales. But by the end of this video, you'll know the fastest way to integrate GetResponse with your CRM, plus a better alternative that makes the process seamless. First up, let's talk about direct integrations. GetResponse connects natively with a few CRMs like HubSpot, Pipedrive, and Zoho. This means you can sync contacts, automate emails, and track customer interactions. Asterisk, asterisk, but there's a catch, asterisk, asterisk. Some integrations are limited. For example, HubSpot lets you sync contacts, but not automate email sequences properly inside GetResponse. Pipedrive has a smoother connection, but requires paid add-ons for full automation. Next, third-party tools. If your CRM isn't on GetResponse's list, you'll need Zapier, Make, formerly Integromat, or Pabbly Connect. These let you link almost any CRM, but they come with extra costs and setup time. Plus, delays in automation can be frustrating. Imagine a new lead signing up and waiting 10 minutes before getting a welcome email. That's not ideal. Another issue? Two-way sync. Some CRM integrations only send data one way, meaning if a lead updates their info in GetResponse, it won't reflect in your CRM, or vice versa. This causes duplicates, outdated data, and broken automations. If you're already using GetResponse, you might be wondering, is there a better way? And the answer is yes. There's a CRM that doesn't just integrate well, but actually replaces the need for multiple tools, saving you money and reducing headaches. We've got an exclusive and AMP, extended free trial for this alternative, plus other top-rated CRM tools that integrate better with GetResponse, or even replace it entirely for your goal. The link is in the description. Try it out and see the difference for yourself.